Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Amit Sharma from C21 Infinity presenting you immaculate house for sale in Kellyville. Welcome to number 7 Louis Jones Drive, Kellyville. Let's take a tour, guys. This stunner sits on a big block of land which is 752 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3 garages and a sparkling swimming pool. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. On behalf of Team C21 Infinity, would like to invite you at the open homes, and this property is going on auction 4th of February at 10 a.m. Looking forward to see you guys there. Thank you very much.